Hello there, it's your Crossvale team with an exciting exclusive offer. Watch this short video on how Crossvale and Red Hat partner to simplify modernization, then learn how you can easily solve OpenShift for your organization with one decision.
When focusing on my health, I got a Oura Ring. And once I learned what heart rate variability is and the data that the Oura Ring got on my health, I started to have that as one of my primary focuses. Some things you don't know that you need to know in the OpenShift platform or automation platform, we already have proactive ways to solve these problems, and we educate you on why they're important. My name is Todd Millard, CEO of Crossvale. We provide long-term confidence for enterprises that are looking to modernize into containerization and automation with our platform engineering expertise. We've been doing this for over 22 years in the IT services business. And basically, we provide a proactive and reactive safety net that if something goes wrong, they're not stuck not knowing how to dynamically solve problems and workload issues. Our business has an unparalleled expertise on supporting Red Hat products and solutions. And we create seamless implementations and optimization that we can maximize your ROI. The things that we offer that's completely unique that nobody else does with Red Hat is several different things. We developed what's called PodOps for OpenShift, which is a complete platform engineering solution that allows customers to have the confidence to run workloads in OpenShift and have a proactive and reactive support team there that goes way beyond cluster maintenance. We are one of the very few partners out there that also implement what was Red Hat Data Science is now Red Hat OpenShift AI. And so we run this platform, install it, and maintain this in a way that the clients only need to have a data scientist and data engineers. The rest of the platform is all taken care of by Crossvale and supported by Red Hat. There are so many customers out there today, enterprises that need modernization, but they don't know where to get started. And what excites me about Crossvale is we have the solution. All we have to do is work together.
The solution is PodOps for OpenShift, and now is the ideal moment to make the decision to get started. Here's why. Whether you're running on-prem or in the cloud, you not only receive Red Hat OpenShift Kubernetes engine subscriptions with advanced cluster management, but also cluster setup and configuration, 24/7 365 management, custom proactive monitoring and logging, as well as access to PodOps application deployment framework to accelerate the onboarding of your apps into OpenShift. Everything an organization would need to be container competent immediately. Here's the clincher. You can get this all-inclusive package for just $14.99 an hour for 48 vCPUs, including 24/7 365 management. But don't delay, this promotion won't last forever. Contact us today to lock down the details and give your container operations the boost they need. Remember, availability is limited.